Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make light using nothing but quartz. I have two quartz slabs here. Alternatively, you can just use regular bits of quartz, that will work fine too. They're sort of about medium purity. I've made these two little quartz slabs. We're going to try it with the lights on. You probably won't be able to see anything with the lights on, but I will just do it real quick anyway. I can't really see it that well. I'm going to go turn the lights off now, and I will show you how you can generate some light just using quartz. Whoa, look at that. I don't know if the camera's really doing it justice, but it makes quite a bit of light. It's definitely not enough light to be able to see in the dark. Maybe there's a way if you used purer quartz or something. I got the most light by rubbing it like this, and I got quite a few nice bright little glowing from the quartz. So you can make light from just quartz, but it's not very efficient, at least not with this quality of quartz. And it doesn't make that much light. It doesn't really light anything up. It just sort of generates enough light that you can see the quartz rubbing together. I'm going to do it one more time with the lights off real quick. Go ahead and do a test. I'll try it vertically. That is quite satisfying. You can make a decent amount. I even got more light just holding like this and applying pressure downwards and then rubbing it. I might try something real quick just to see if it's possible to see it even with the lights on. If I just put it in the vise here, you should be able to see it a little more stably, because I will run it back and forth. I will have to go ahead and clamp this in. Probably have to put some cloth around it as well so it doesn't shatter. That would be quite a disaster. Alright, so we have some quartz now in the vise. It should be tight enough that it doesn't fall out. I'll just try and see if we can see any light with the lights on. Whoa, look at that. That is impressive. You don't even need the lights off to see that. That's actually quite a lot more light. So it is possible to see it. I guess this would look a lot more impressive with the lights off. I will try it doing that now. Just got to find it. Here we go. Try the other end. Look at that. I think it was actually more impressive with the lights on, because you can actually see what's going on. Anyway, I was just making some light using nothing but quartz. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.